So we actually went for a walk in a very beautiful park, which is beside the Ontario Lake, and that was something which I wanted to do for a first date, was that simply to go on a walk. And my first impression about him was that, oh, he's tall. He's very tall. But then also that he can hold conversation, so that's something which I really appreciated. And it was fun talking to him. It never felt like that we are strangers. It was very comfortable. We were joking and we were making fun of each other from the first day onwards. And my mother calls us Tom and Jerry, so it has been that way since the first time we met.
I don't know where I went wrong, but I can write a song. I belong with you, you belong with me, you're my sweetheart. I belong with you, you belong with me, you're my sweetheart.
So it's a very tricky question because I miss them every day since I have left my home for studies. That was 2010, and of course there is a change in family and all of that. I know I'm getting emotional, but yeah, of course I always miss them and I'm going to miss them more because there's going to be change of family dynamics and all of that. But yeah, I am always going to be my parents' daughter first, and obviously I have responsibility and love towards my new family and of course my husband to be. But yeah, I think just like him, even for me, no matter what, our parents comes first. So yes. Yeah. रुला दिया आपने.
Take your hand. Do you understand? You found.
First impression of Shruti, very headstrong, knew what she wants, and also a cheerful, optimistic person. Funny thing is, I always call her a Disney princess because she has a habit of finding the best in everything, and which kind of balances out because I see the worst in everything. So yeah.
The actual proposal I will count is, I think within a week he asked me to be his girlfriend. So that was something where I never looked back. I think he also never looked back. As I told you, no matter what the life was throwing on us, and we met during COVID, so it was tough for everyone and of course for us as well. But that was the day when he asked me to be his official girlfriend. I called that as a proposal, but then of course after a year and a half, I went for a vacation for 15-20 days. I came here back India, and when I went back, I saw him that how much he missed me, and I think within 2 days he proposed for the wedding. Yeah, and the way he asked me was, let's get married, and he was like, yeah, of course. And the first time he knelt down was in front of his parents. I think he just knew that I'm going to say yes because we were going through so much, like emotionally and the world outside. We both just knew that we can work together. And yeah, like as you say, right, like life is not perfect, and neither we are as a human or as a couple, but we just knew, like
Unfortunately for Shruti, the proposal wasn't as romantic as he thought it should be. Basically, one day we were just sitting after dinner, we were just talking about our goals in life and just general plans for the future. And that's when I thought, hey, this is amazing what I have right here, and why don't we just get married? I asked Shruti the question without the ring and without going down in the needs, and as you would see in the future, she made sure that I got on the beat multiple times during the actual wedding.
Say, love me. Say, hold me through the storm. Be together. Oh.
So actually, it will sound very weird, but I think the day I realized, or the moment I started realizing that, you know, this can work for the lifelong, was the amount of fights we were having and the way we were overcoming all those fights. So I really appreciated the passion for both the sides, that he was there ready to, you know, work it out. I was there ready to work it out. He don't have that much patience. I also don't have that much patience. So the amount of patience we showed in our relationship was, I guess, the milestone where we both understood that, okay, we can do this. And of course, then the way he is with me and the amount of fun we have when we are not fighting is definitely something which I'm looking forward to, and I was looking forward to in my partner. And yeah, there was that, there was this, and then all together it's just a perfect puzzle.
प्यार करते करते तुम पे मरते मरते दिल दे दिया किस मोड़ पे ले आया।
आप दोनों में से शादी के बाद अगर कभी छोटा मोटा झगड़ा होगा तो सबसे पहले सॉरी कौन बोलेगा? हाँ, आए एक्चुअली।
First date with Shruti, again a COVID date. We met, actually taking a step back, basically I messaged her sometime around like 10 p.m. that I was craving Indian food, homemade food. So I messaged her, and since it was COVID, we decided let's just go for a walk and drink. So basically I met Shruti at a park near her house. In her canister she got some booze. We sat by the lake, spoke, and we really connected.
दूर आसमानों में रब के दीवानों में भी मुझसा न कोई, मैं दीवाना तेरा। चल तुझे बांध के सांसों की वो डोर से ले चलूं वहां पे जो ठिकाना तेरा। मैं भी तारियां तो सजी डोली बह के आई हाँ, जग नू भुला के मैं तो तेरी हो गई हाँ। तेनू भी पता है सोने सजना दीवाने मेरे, मैं भी तेरे प्यार में तेरी जोगन हो गई हाँ। सारी जिंदड़ी तेरे नाल तुर चलियां, दिन सगना वाला पार कर चलियां।